Alright guys, well, we may have an issue trying to get to the racetrack next Saturday. It's Friday night, and I just did some investigating and took my dogs over to the dog park after work today in the F-150 and heard a lot of rattling out of the back end. I did let my stepson borrow that truck when his truck was broken, and when I picked it back up from his place, I noticed that rattling too. So I haven't driven the truck really in about 2 or 3 weeks, and then today when I drove over to the dog park, I came back and I started investigating, looking everywhere. Thought there's something was rattling around in the bed maybe, because I had a jack back there, but looking underneath the truck, I found there's a broken leaf spring. So obviously we're not going to be towing down there with a broken leaf spring. So I did find a set with this. This is the M spring code package. So it's a Ford F150 4x4 FX4. It's the 3 spring package with the helper spring, so 4 leaves total. And there is a code inside the door for your spring code. And Summit actually had 1 pair in stock. So I've got those ordered. They're coming in on Wednesday. I don't know if I'll have time to install them for this race, but you know, maybe we'll make it up to. There's 2 other opportunities to test in March. So sorry guys, it's always something, man. I mean, but that truck's 20 years old, so things are gonna happen. But honestly, I guess I'm glad I kind of found it and caught it before something really bad happened out on the road. You know, I mean, the track is 3 hours away, so I certainly don't want to do some kind of bush fix on this and just patch something up or whatever. And I mean, if we were just going to Sacramento Raceway, the old Sacramento Raceway, which is like 10 miles away, I might risk it. But I'm driving all the way down to Fresno or up to Redding. Both of those tracks are about 3 hours away, so I'm definitely not going to risk that. But I do have the springs on order. A pair of them. You can't just replace one. You got to replace the pair. So I got a pair of rear leaf springs coming for the F-150, and they're coming in on Wednesday. With work and everything, I don't know if I'll have time to replace both of them before Saturday morning. I got to leave at like 6 or 7 in the morning. Racing starts at 10. It's a 3-hour drive, so I don't know if that's going to work out. Plus, it's not that I mind that it's 1/8 mile, but I prefer a 1/4 mile. But I mean, we'll still get down there and we'll check out that drag strip some other time. But I don't have real high hopes for making it to the track this by Saturday and replacing the springs and having a good tow vehicle by then. So just want to let you guys know what the scoop was, and we'll go from there. I'll keep you posted when those springs come in. Guess we'll have an F-150 project coming up. All right, guys, thanks. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Thank you.